Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at our newest feature. We call it subscription plans, where you're able to monetize your app and basically put a paywall in front of any of the features we have. Two specific features also have limitations to how many you can get. For example, the food delivery system that we've got enables you to put a subscription plan in for deliveries. So let's say you want to charge $10 a month, and for that $10 you give your users 5 deliveries free a month, right? Once they hit that 5 delivery threshold, they'll be prompted to pay another $10 again. The same thing can be said for the punch card, the stamp card, the digital stamp card, where you can say, I'm going to give you 10 stamps for $15 a month, and then once those stamps are used up, they would have to purchase additional plans. So we're going to take a look at some of the settings in the back office, as well as what it looks like inside the app. So when you click on subscription plan in your feature list, you'll see the screen. Yours will definitely be blank. You basically got to come here and hit the add new button. I'm going to take a look at one of the plans I've already got set up. So when you click the add new button, this is what you'll see. You can give it a name, you can give it a description. You've got options to choose for the term of the plan. You've got what you see here, 1 to 12 months, a free plan or a lifetime plan. And then if you wanted to attach it to a feature, you can. If you don't want to have it attached to a feature, which is either the food ordering or the food delivery or the punch card, just leave it blank. Do not select one. In this case, I've got it connected to the punch card. If I check this off, I can give unlimited punches or unlimited deliveries. Unchecked, I can now put in the amount that I'm selling. So in this case, it's going to be 10 stamps. My price, $10. Then you need to set your Stripe account up for this as well. So your Stripe billing will happen. You'll create a product in your Stripe subscriptions, and then get the price ID for it and paste that here. Once that's set up, it'll populate in your list, and then you'll be able to see up here. Let's close this off. You've got your settings. You've got your time zone, your date format, your currency, the message that if they don't want to buy the plan, they can still go to for example, the food ordering system. They can still go there, but they will have to pay for their deliveries. And then your Stripe keys over here. We've got notification content over here, so you're able to add emails to automatically go out. This one is set for a new membership. When a new member comes on board, this is what they'll see. You've got the other one here for cancellation email. And let me see. So you've got 3 email options here: new membership, cancellation, and renewal. You can create a renewal email. Say send that out a week before your renewal's coming up, etc., etc. So those are the back office setup. It's pretty straightforward. It's not very complicated back here. The one other thing that we didn't look at was the members list. So this is all your paying members. You'll see their details here, and their dates and what they paid. So let's look at how you map this on your back office. I'm going to go to my home screen. I've already mapped one out here. Sorry, home screen. Basically create a hotspot. I call this the stamp card. You can call it whatever you want. You've got your function here, which is the stamp single punch card, and then you can pick from any one of your stamp cards you've already got set up. Once you've selected one of these, you need to select subscription plan over here, okay? And then the subscription plans that you've created for example, for punch card will populate here. So I've got 2 different plans here, platinum and diamond. You need to select those and save, and then update your screen. So let's take a look at what this looks like inside of the app. Here is my phone. I've got it set up at the top here. So when I click on this for the first time, this is what I'll see. I'll have the option to purchase 2 plans. I'm going to select the first one. I'll click the buy button. My information already comes over from my user profile, so they don't have to do very much here. I just select make a payment, and I've got my dummy Stripe account set up here, so I'll just put okay, I gotta use dummy card information. Okay. Okay. And then the full name on the card. And postal code. And this is all dummy information, obviously, because it's in test mode now. It'll be processing, and you get a complete check mark here, and then you can go back out to your home screen. Now, when I come back in here to the same feature and I click the stamps, this is what I see. I get the actual access to the feature, and I'm able to use the stamp card as normal, as you would normally set it up. I can get a couple of punches here. So I'm going to go 2 here, my code, and my card will get stamped with 2 stamps. There you go. So it's a pretty cool feature. This is a demonstration of how it's used with the punch card. I'm going to come back here to the home screen. If you do not want to use it with the punch card, for example, I want to use it with, let's say, something else. I will say, let's say my FB, and I hit subscription plan. Different plans populate because these are in the general plans for any feature in the app. So I didn't show you that here. So you've got the enterprise and the starter plan. It's not connected to any features here. Same kind of idea here. Give it a name, pick a term. It's not connected here. What you're selling it for, and then the Stripe ID. And then when you're coming back to your home screen here, so I want to go here. Nope, sorry. So if I want to add the subscription here, I need to select the plans. Okay, and the same deal. Save and update. So now this is my little to-do list here. If I hit submit, I come back over to my phone here. I can hard close the app. And I've set this up in the top left corner here. And I click that, same deal. So now I've got 2 different plans here. You can see enterprise and starter, and same. Everything else is the same. I can purchase that, and then get access to that specific feature. So you can actually tie this to any feature you want. You can monetize any feature you want. Like I said, with the option of just selecting a subscription plan, making sure you've got plans created up here, and that's it. So it's a pretty powerful tool. It's another way for you to monetize your apps for your users. And as usual, if any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.